In this class we will learn how to scale sketches in a practical and easy way. As we have seen, we always draw the sketches without worrying about the size of the entities, because when scaling, they automatically adjust according to the defined value. The sizing is carried out after or together with the application of geometric relations. Let's see in practice how to scale entities. In this sketch, we already applied geometric relations in the previous class. Now with the help of the Smart Dimension command, we will scale the entities to define it completely, avoiding unwanted changes and facilitating later edits. Using the command Smart Dimension is very simple, and with this single command, we scale all kinds of entities. We enable the command with one click and the mouse cursor indicates the active command. We click on the line we want to scale and move the mouse, noting that the current value of the entity is shown. We click to position the dimensional and open a box, where we enter the value of 100 mm and confirm. Note that the sketch is resized according to the value we enter while maintaining the geometric relationships. Now let's scale this circle. We click on it, and when moving the mouse, the current value of the diameter is shown. We position the quota by clicking on the graphic area, enter the value of 15 mm and press enter. To show this quota with the radius value, simply right-click on it and click on Display as Radius. We quote the distance from the circle to the entity on the left by typing the value of 20 mm. For the height we set 30 mm. The left vertical line, we define it as 100 mm and the distance between the circles, as 50. Note that the vertex has been updated due to the vertical geometric relationship between these entities. We scale the missing entities as shown, noting that the outline automatically updates to each defined value. To exit the command we press Escape, or click on its icon again. Note in the status bar the expression fully defined, which indicates that the sketch is fully defined. Now let's work with this piece by making some changes to the boss extrude feature sketch 1. We click on it, and on the floating bar we select Edit Sketch. We click on the Normal to option. In the sequence, we will delete the two circles and draw a rectangle. We select each circle and press Delete. Before drawing the rectangle, we access the menu tools, Options. In the System Options tab, we click on Sketch. We enable the option Enable on-screen numeric input on entity creation and the other option shown. We click OK. With these options enabled, we can enter the values of the dimensional at the time we are drawing the entities. With the tool Rectangle, we click on the graphic area and drag the mouse. Without releasing the mouse, we type 10 and press Enter. We type 60 and hit Enter and see that the rectangle is created. We can also use this feature for other commands such as line and circle. We can also define a sketch automatically, using the command Fully Define Sketch, accessed by right-clicking the graphic area. In the Property Manager, we can choose all entities, or manually select. We select the displayed entities and click Calculate. Notice, the rectangle has been scaled. We can change the value of a dimensional. With a double click on it, enter the new value and confirm. We make the changes and confirm the sketch. See, the piece has been upgraded to the new geometry. We have seen in this class the main tools and options for scaling sketches and defining them completely, which is very important for developing projects in SolidWorks.